Welcome to De La Salle North Catholic High School's virtual open house. My name is Oscar Leong, and I'm the president for this wonderful school. On behalf of the admissions team, which includes Jane Broaddus, Alyssa Pragnapani, and the entire faculty, staff, students, and families of Knight Nation, thank you for joining us today. As you can see, I'm walking through our current building. Today in the open house, you'll learn about what we have to offer now, but also a glimpse into the future as we look forward to opening up our new campus in the fall of 2021. Come join Knight Nation, learn about our powerful academic program, spiritual life, LaSalle Youth Ministry, athletics, and of course, our very important corporate work study program. Now, what makes Knight Nation very different and unique, we are fun and festive and very, very inclusive. We want to get you to be a part of us. As you can see, when you go through the videos, part is live, part is recorded. And our MC for tonight is Mr. James Broaddus. So again, thank you once again. I do ask all families, please make sure you complete the intake form with your name, address, email, and student name. When you do that, you get a chance to win some Knight Nation swag. So once again, thank you, enjoy the day.